Hello, good afternoon. Ria from Maisie Moo. Happy New Year, everybody. I've been so busy with family up to now. This is the first chance I've had to get into my studio, and I'm unfortunately not going to have too much time down here because we will be heading off next week on our family summer holiday camping. We have a caravan and we go away every year camping. So I am trying to squeeze a few things out before I go because I know it's a busy time, especially for my Northern Hemisphere people, because you've got lots of time indoors. I know there's been some dreadful weather around the world at the moment. Anyway, quickly jumping on, because even though this is such a straightforward design, I have gone a bit overboard and made a few different variations. So if I just quickly talk you through what I've done, this is a bookmark and it's in the shape of a tea bag. Quite a classic shape, very straightforward. It's got the stitch holes. You can see I'm about to put one together here. It's got the holes there for you, so you just simply stitch around the edge and then back again to create this nice solid stitch. I'm including 3 templates, so you're going to have this one here, this cute wee one with the face. It comes with the cheeks and the eye cutouts. That is very straightforward to sew together. You simply sew on your cheeks and your smile at the same time, and there's a circle that you just glue behind and it will create these 2 eyes. So that's quite straightforward, and I'll put the instructions in the PDF. This is just another around the edge and back again, and you can see I've got 1, 2, 3 different tabs for the end, so you can mix and match these if you want to. I've also got an envelope, so if you're wanting to gift or sell these, this is a great way of doing it. You can put your logo on here, you can put a little inspirational quote or whatever you like. It just simply closes up with the back like that. So it comes, you can see that's the shape there, and all you need to do is just score your lines. We'll quickly do that later, but just to show you how I pop it together, I'll probably fast forward because it is quite straightforward. So this one here is a love heart design, and I think this would be quite good for Valentine's Day. So what I'm using is embroidery floss, as I do, just all the strands in the embroidery floss, and nice big knot. And with this heart that I'm sewing at the moment, I'm just starting from behind and working my way around those pre-cut holes, and it all lines up perfectly so that you simply just have to stitch through them. And I am going to make that, as I say, a solid stitch because it makes it look nice and neat, and it gives it a kind of bit of definition as well. You can see on these ones. Okay. Okay, so you can see on the back where it's all quite messy. I'm just going to knot it off. There we go. If we tie that off, and it doesn't matter what it looks like. Okay, there we go. So you can see we've sewn the heart on the front. Now, what I'm using for my cord is this is Divine Twine. It's an American product. I've had it for such a long time. You just want it to look like a tea bag. So let's glue this on. Now I'm using hot glue, it just holds it in place nice, and there we go. Okay, so you can see I've glued that on, and now all I'm going to do is simply stitch around the edge again. So I might go with red. This is quite a Valentine's Day look, this. Okay, so you can start stitching from anywhere because we are going around twice. I'm using approximately, I would say, about 20 inches of floss. Okay, so we've gone all all the way around, and I'm just going to keep going until I've made a solid line. Okay, so I'm going to go back again. Okay, so when you get to the end, I've got one more stitch left. I'm going to take my needle and I'm just passing it through the 2 layers. You can see I'm coming through like that, and then all I'm going to do is go back again. That's it, and then I'm going to trim that so that you can't, and that won't come undone. There we are. So you've got your tea bag. Perfect. All we need to do now is follow exactly the same theory and sew on the hearts on the bottom so that they're like the wee tag here. So I'll quickly do that. Okay, here we go. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 different variations on the same. You have got your wee smiley face. This is quite cute with a scalloped tag. You've got your straight, your normal clean template. Now you could choose to have a smiley face on one side and then a pattern on the other side. That would be quite cool to change it up. And then you've also got the option of the love heart. So these all have the holes in them to stitch. Self-explanatory when you see the templates when they come through to you. Now you've got the 3 obviously tags that you can mix and match. Okay, so on to the envelope. Really straightforward envelope. It fits one of your tea bags in there, and it's got a little scalloped edge and it just tucks into this wee flap here. So what you need to do is cut out your template that I've provided on your cutting machine or by hand if you're using it by hand, and then all you need to do is, I like to score them because it just gives it a nicer fold. We'll go scoring along. Probably could have been a bit straighter, that one, but that's okay. We're rushing because I'm showing you. Go. Okay, so let's fold everything over. And all you want to do is you can either glue, or I've got one of these. Whoops. Here we go. Wee paper glue pen and just folding, and that's enough to hold that. And there we go, you've got your envelope. So you could choose to decorate using your pen with your Cricut, or you could also add a sticker to it. Might add a sticker to this one that I'll design with my logo and whatnot on it. You could put a little saying on it. I'll leave it up to you. I will include a few ideas for you. Okay, so there we go. So I think I'll use this one. There we go, that can go in there. Fits in nicely. Okay, so I do hope you enjoyed that. Remember to reach out to me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing what you post on the Facebook page. Happy creating. Thanks. Bye.